What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another Pokemon card unboxing. This time around, I have a theme deck. This one is Storm Rider. You can see right there, got a holographic Zapdos on the front of it. So, let's get cracking. I think this is the only way I can open it. I'm not quite sure, but you know what the heck. Let's just do it. This is not very open friendly, I should say. Alright, put that away. Now we got the box. Cool. Let's crack this guy open, see what we find. And looky here. Got another new coin. Nice. Like it. There's the holographic right there. Sweet. Here's the card so I can redeem this deck on my game online, which I should put down below how you guys can, invite me or join me, whatever, I don't know. But definitely would like to play some of you guys or do something cool like that. Got a hit counter again. Just like the last deck I unboxed. Whoa. Sorry about that. Then we got the deck. It seems like all the cards are already inside the deck, which is pretty interesting. So let's pop that open, see what we can find. Oh, this one actually doesn't have cellophane on it. It's just open cards. That's different. Okay, let's see what we got. We got green energy. 2 green energies. Let me move this out of the way first, so then you guys can see that a little better. Another green energy. Wow, yet again another green energy. We have a Dragonite card. This is a cool one. Doesn't have the borders on it. We got a Dragonair. We have electric energy. We got a Whirlpie? I don't know how to pronounce that one. We got an Exeggutor, or whatever it's called, Pikachu, energy, what was that? Skyrim, I can't pronounce that one, I don't know. Still working on pronouncing my Pokemons. Got a Cascoon. Got a what's that? Electrite. Got a non-holographic Zapdos. Another electric. We got a Dragatine, or I can't quite pronouncing that wrong. The Nidorid, I don't know. Another green energy. We have an Execute. I can't pronounce it. Damn it. Sorry. Got a trainer card. Trino. Draw 3 cards. Cool. That'll be very useful in a battle. Got a Voltorb. Another electric card. Another trainer card, Steven. Got another trainer card, Professor's Letter. Another trainer card, Ultra Ball. Man, what's up with all these trainer cards? Got another one here, Switch. Got Electrode. Another energy. Was that Dartini? I don't know. I'm just trying to shoot in the blue with these pronunciations. Oh, sweet. Double energy. Special energy card. I like those, tell you that much. Got a Revive. Put a base Pokemon from your discarded pile into your bench. Sweet. Got another Exeggutor. I don't know. I used to know the name of that Pokemon when I was a kid, but don't remember. Got another Whirlpie. Got a Pokemon Center lady. Heals 60 damage. Removes all special conditions from one of your Pokemon. Sweet. Another Electrolyte or whatever he's called. Shedin's J. I don't know, but there's that card. Another Electricity. Another Cascoon. Voltorb. Another Magnetic, like Magnet and Electric. I don't know. Another Professor's Letter. Another Electric. Execute. Leaf Energy. Another Tyrell. Trainer's Mail. Dartini. I don't know. Another Pikachu. Another Electric. Another Dragonair. Another Leaf Green. Electrode. A Switch. Another Electric Energy. Another Trainer. That Wally. And that 9Cade. I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce that one. That card's really curved though. That's really weird. All these other cards were, for the most part, straight. But this one is pretty curved, which is unusual. But alright, let's get to this. Pretty sure this is the, what do you call those? The battling platform. Can't think of the proper name for it. Come on, open up. There we go. Has some info in the back. I know I can't probably get all that on the camera. That's pretty neat. So you have a place to battle on. It's pretty sweet. Alright. So we got that out of the way. I don't think there's really else to show you. Got just this thing right here. Check that out real quick. Roaring Skies expansion. Wow, that's nice. I wish I could get that EX card. I'm actually going to look for that next. Get some booster packs. Try to hunt down those EXs. Really want that for my collection. Looks nice. But yeah, that's about it, YouTube. Should have some more unboxing soon. But until next time, thanks for watching.